Well, good evening. It looks like Molly and Gracie were able to pull the hay down on their side tonight. So I'll have to give Pearl and Indy and Gladys and Mr. Minty some hay. Hi. How are you, Pearl? You're an awfully good little girl. I don't know. I kind of think that Gladys is getting close to having babies. Gladys is a good little goat. Yes, she is. She is my good little girl. She's not very potty, but not very big, I should say. I want to descend into ancient terms that no one is going to understand. That's what my mom would always say. They're not getting round, they're getting potty. Oh, but these little girls are definitely rounder. Yeah. And they're hungry. Miss Gladys has got a little bit of an udder coming. And I can see that her nipples are getting fuller. Got a little udder fill, not much. But I have a feeling that she's probably only going to have a single, maybe two at max. But I could be totally wrong. I just think she's getting close. Mr. Jerry's helping. I don't know where he is right now. What do you think, Mr. Minty? Miss Indy wants to talk. What are you saying there, little girl? Oh, all I gotta do is start scratching. And everything stops. Just like I... It's just like slow-mo. It's just like somebody hit this pause button and she just stops. Chewing stops, everything stops because she wants to get more petting. More scratches, don't you little girl? You are such a sweet little girl, aren't you? You're such a good little goat. Don't know how people cannot love you. Yeah, they just don't know you, do they? Oh, such a sweetie, such a sweet little girl. Oh, yeah, I know. Hi, Jerry. Did you catch any mouses? You've been down here all day. Miss Blondie, Miss Betty. I'm really surprised Miss Lola doesn't get up there and look, too. Miss Betty's always right here. She's a good little goat. Yes, she is. Her likes getting her face scratched a little. And I think Mr. Minty would, too. Yeah. I see Mr. Raj has got a sore on his ear where he either slapped it, shaking himself hard, and it causes a little hematoma, or somebody bit him. And it could be a little bite from his sister or his mom or one of the other little goats, although I don't think Jitterbug or Susie would do it. But I totally could see Rita doing it as they horse around. Or he could have just been flapping his ears. And they do that all the time. Grandma Gracie does that too. Well, I want to tell you all thank you for watching. It was like a regular blizzard out this morning, and now it's like 34, 35 degrees. All the snow has stopped. Almost all of it is melted back. We just have little patchy stuff in the grass now. So I'm pretty happy about that. And I'm just going to go feed the rest of these little girls. And thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for all that you do, all the likes, all the comments, all the subscriptions. Please share, please subscribe. If you've made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You won't be disappointed. Just be me talking about goats and goat things all the time. And Mr. Minty too. Mr. Minty. I'm laughing because they rolled their cube up. They moved the cube and now it's slippery. And Rita has a hard time holding herself up there. Keeps sliding off. It's so funny. All right. Enough frivolity. You guys just have a great evening. Talk to the big man here. Tell him good night, Mr. Minty. Mr. Minty, good night.